Welcome to the RoadTripper app. This was designed and developed for everyone from the outdoor novice to the enthusiast. When you decide to go on an adventure road trip to see some of our national parks, the RoadTripper will be there to help you plan your hikes. This is the user's homepage. From here, you can navigate to update your profile, see saved hikes, and find a new hike. The first challenge I ran into when creating this app was getting the states to show up only once rather than multiple times for every hike within that state. After querying my Postgres database, I was returned a list of tuples for each hike. To fix this, in Python I decided to create an empty set and indexed into the tuple to add the state to that set. I chose this data structure because I want a unique collection of states. This is also how I was able to filter my national parks. My next challenge was grabbing the coordinates from my database and passing it into the Google Maps API to display a pin in the correct location. I created a Python function to query hike information and coordinates from my database. I used a for loop to get one hike object at a time, then dot notation on the object using my coordinates attribute, giving me the string containing the coordinates, but also a bunch of random characters that needed to be removed. I replaced the unwanted characters, split the longitude and latitude into a list of 2 elements, then created a dictionary from this list. I used this function with the argument of hike name, which was given to the function in my server via dynamic URL. I used Jinja to add the coordinate values to my HTML, and I used jQuery to retrieve the values from the DOM. In my API key, I created a callback function using JavaScript, which did 3 things. Create a JavaScript object using jQuery with the values of the coordinates, format the map, and lastly, place the marker at the correct coordinates.